Ayurveda is a holistic medical system from ancient India that focuses on promoting overall well-being rather than just treating specific illnesses. It integrates physical, mental and spiritual health, using natural herbs known as Ayurvedic herbs, which are easily found in nature. These herbs have been used for centuries to boost immunity, treat diseases and enhance overall health. Adding Ayurvedic herbs to your daily diet can have a positive impact on your health. The optimal treatment strategy for cancer within Ayurveda necessitates a comprehensive and multifaceted approach. This approach integrates various elements, including internal medicinal interventions, external therapeutic modalities, dietary considerations, and lifestyle modifications. Certain Ayurvedic herbs have been found to be effective in reducing cancer risk and even aiding in cancer treatment. 5 key Ayurvedic herbs used in cancer prevention and treatment are garlic. Allium sativum. Garlic is renowned for its potent antioxidant and antibacterial properties. These attributes help prevent cancer by protecting cells from damage and aiding in genetic repair. Garlic has been found beneficial in preventing various types of cancer, including stomach, breast, pancreas and prostate cancers. Its ability to bolster the body's defense mechanisms makes it a valuable herb in Ayurvedic cancer prevention. Turmeric. Curcuma longa. Turmeric is a well-known Ayurvedic herb with a range of health benefits. Some studies suggest that turmeric contains compounds, such as curcumin, that have the potential to kill cancer cells in certain cases. Additionally, turmeric can cure various diseases and heal wounds. It also plays a role in preventing the recurrence of cancer, making it an essential herb in the Ayurvedic management of cancer. Ashwagandha. Withania somnifera. Ashwagandha is prized for its adaptogenic properties, which help the body cope with stress and enhance overall resilience. It contains antioxidants that may help stop the growth of tumors and prevent cancer. Ashwagandha's ability to boost the immune system and fight inflammation further underscores its potential as a powerful Ayurvedic herb in cancer treatment. Guduchi. Tinospora cordifolia. Guduchi is famous for its immunomodulatory properties. This means it can strengthen the body's defense mechanisms against cancer. By enhancing the immune response, Guduchi helps the body fight off cancerous cells and supports overall health. Amla. Indian gooseberry. Amla is a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients are vital for boosting the immune system and protecting cells from damage. Amla's potent antioxidant properties help in preventing cancer and support overall health. Including amla in the diet can be beneficial for enhancing immunity and reducing cancer risk. In conclusion, Ayurveda offers a comprehensive and holistic approach to health and wellness. By incorporating Ayurvedic herbs into our daily lives and seeking the guidance of experienced practitioners, we can harness the full potential of Ayurveda to enhance our health and well-being. This ancient medical system has a set of principles for treating every disease. When used wisely and gently, these principles can effectively deal with serious illnesses like cancer. For the most effective and personalized Ayurvedic management of cancer, it is advisable to seek guidance from a qualified and experienced Ayurvedic practitioner.